Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I make $2,000 on my TOPSTEP funded accounts during these crazy market times with Trump volatility. I will show you higher time frame point of interest and lower time frame entry, why I took this entry, why I exit earlier as I planned, and all the details needed. Then if you are interested to see how I trade, the whole process, how I choose high time frame point of interest, lower time frame, entry, exit, and stop loss placement, just keep watching. Then this was the trade. Okay, I posted also on my Twitter. Yes, it's this one from today. I take it on 5 express accounts on the top step. I exited here earlier, but I will explain why. My original target was up here, as you can see on the top step screenshot. And here is the guys in the Discord close the same trade, but Zane keep it till the original profit, which was 1.1 to 5 risk to reward. I was happy anyway with today. I took $400 out. Uh, I can show you like this. Yeah, 405 dollars I exited earlier. Original profit was around 600, same like yesterday. And it was, of course, not 3 trades. On the top step, it count the micros, okay? It count the position. You can see 3 trades, but the position was 3 micros when you check on the screenshot. Then I go only 1 trade per day, okay? Sometimes I got break even. When I'm on break even on 0, I took another trade. But if I have lose or win, I just close and I'm done for the day. This account I trade for almost 2 months now. This was the 5 payout request. Now I'm going to for 6. I'm curious when they will move me to the live account, but we will see. I will keep you updated, guys. I still don't touch Apex accounts because market is really crazy, and with Apex I have a goal for this year to get 6 payout cycles and get no cap on the payouts, which means I want to go for 1 million payout, single payout, and I want to achieve it till end of this year with this slow, consistent way I'm showing you here, 1 trade per day, small risk, and I'm sure I can do it. But during the days like this, I stay off from these accounts because it's 20 accounts on the Apex, okay? And I have a really nice buffer there right now. Then I will just wait for the better days after Easter. Okay, let's get to the trade. As always, I can delete all this shit and I can go to the replay tool. But before I will show you the bias, why it took the long and everything, okay? We can see the market is now pretty consolidating, okay? And random move up, random move down. As I say, Trump volatility, then I didn't even have how to say the higher time frame direction bias for this because we are bearish, then we are bullish, then we are bearish, we make extreme sharp move down, then we make sharp move ups, huge gap down, okay, huge move up, then I just focus on a really reliable point of interest. That's you can see before, like 1 month ago and 3 weeks ago, I was using 5 minutes and 15 minutes as a point of interest. But during these days, 5 minutes got really ignored. You can check my yesterday trade on my Twitter. I post all my trades there. I use 5 minutes as a confluence, okay? After 1 hour point of interest was tapped, I wait for 5 minute point of interest to be created and give us entry. But today I took entry from the 1 hour point of interest and it was this low. You can see it swing low because this low is higher, this low is higher. This is the kind of middle finger okay formation, which is swing low for us. And in that case, it was also the order block. But the order block was not meeting our criteria for the entry. And with 1 hour, I like to pair 1 minute, not 30 seconds chart. 30 seconds is good for 15 minute or a 5 minute time frame, but for a 4 hour and for 4 hour, it's also good 3 minutes, but for 1 hour, I prefer 1 minute. This is the indicator for high time frame candles. I like to watch 15 minutes candle creation, how it react, because here I can see the fair value gaps without changing the time frame on my actual time frame, okay? And I know here is the fair value gap because I have now one huge monitor and I'm splitting the chart for the 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 1 hour, and 15 minutes I'm watching like this. If somebody question why I have this indicator. Okay, now we just wait for a price to came down to our point of interest, which is this 1 hour swing low, as we say. And this is the top candle. And here we have RRC. Okay, as we know, we want to see strong close above the RRC when we want to take a long. This was the weak, but this candle prove all bearish people wrong. And we just smash through the 50% also of this order block. If you check, got ignored on 1 minute. Then for me this was bullish signal because of the RRC broken very strong, bearish PD array was destroyed. Then I take market entry somewhere around here. I think 63 was my entry. If we check 63, I can go check here. Yeah, 63.75. That was the entry, and stop loss was I move it a little bit. Uh, Stop loss was 52275. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was below the swing low on the 1 minute, but originally it was around here. I was 2 micros in the trade, and when price retraced back, because here I got market entry in, okay, I was not risking because of few points that I missed the move. Then I was just market entry in on after the RRC confirmation, and then we got pulled back inside, and I entry one micro around here also, and then I move my stop loss here that I will be not risking too much. And this was originally my break even, okay, level where I wanted to go to the break even, and I wanted to take profit on these rejections here. I mentioned also in the previous video, when you have swing high and you want to target it as a take profit, as a liquidity, better to go for the weeks. Okay, go for this week or for this week. It's much better because there is difference like the 50 $20, which is nothing, and a lot of time will happen it will not sweep the high, or it will be swept, but it will be 1 millisecond and your position will be not closed, and then price reverse. Then it's better when you choose your take profit on the weeks. Okay, I do it so often. Also, price can make SMT like ES. S&P 500 will take this high and Nasdaq will be weak and don't take it and go down without your profit, and then price don't come back for the high. Then this was the entry after this confirmation. Then price come inside. I took one more micro long and then I just keep the trade. And here I move first my stop loss to the break even. I also was updating guys in the Discord. But then we have this consolidation. It was pretty ugly, and I exited around here. I exited. It was something like 2R, but with reduced stop loss after I added to the position. I was risking originally around 250, I think. On the top step, I keep it, yes, 250, 200, and my take profit was 400. It was around here, and I exit here. But the Zane, which I saw you from the Discord group, he keep the trade and he hit full take profit. He hit it full because after this consolidation, you have small drop, sip of this liquidity, and then confirm this 1 minute order block. Confirm this order block, okay, with this candle and then fire up. And we go straight to the take profit, not yet, but under consolidation like hell. Okay, and we can see here to the take profit. Why I exit? Because not so often I exit trade earlier before my plan. It's because we have red news in I think 1 or 2 hours coming, and it can be just messy. And for me, it's almost Easter, and I wanted to be done. I see $400 profit, which is anyway so nice. Soon I will be requesting another payout from the top step, all 5 accounts. Then I just want to secure my profits and keep it like that. Then this was the trade for today. We have 1 hour swing low as a point of interest, 1 minute top candle RRC confirm market entry in small retrace and push up to the take profit. First to the break even level, then to the take profit later as well. Consolidation, you can see we consolidate really hard also here. This was from like 11 till almost 3 o'clock, which is a long range consolidation. And it's better to stay away from these markets when it's like this or take profit really fast to be done and don't watch on the fucking screen for 5 hours when it's not needed and difference is $100. Okay, your time have bigger value. Then this was the trade. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions also about the Discord group or where I was posting this, when you go to my profile on the Twitter on the X account, here the pinned post explain everything what you need to know about my Discord group and the premium videos. I am currently recording other premium videos for the Discord group where I will explain more filters, how I choose the point of interest and which time of the day is the best for the entry and how to sort out which RRC is correct, which is not, and which is low probability, which is A+. I will finish the videos this month and post it to the Google Disk inside of the Discord group. Here on my Twitter you can see I post trades every day. In this video is all information you need. When you are interested, just leave me a message or leave a comment, I will contact you. Here is also you can see, I think this was from Apex, 3 months, 98% win rate. All trades was posted on the Twitter. It was Apex funded accounts. This was Tradify also 2 or 3 months, 84% win rate. The payouts, yeah, here is the range. It was over 2 months, and here is a payout since that period from Tradify. I am funded almost everywhere, and here is some feedback from my students. Then that's all. By the way, Apex is currently running 80% discount. Then use this opportunity, take 20 accounts. It's a life changer, really. Now I think cost of 50k account is only $30, which is insane. You have 20 accounts for a really small price. In other companies, you have like 100k funded for it, and here you have 1 million funded for it. I explain how to trade Apex trailing drawdown, how to say, uh, which attitude you should have on the trading when you are trading with trailing drawdown like TopStep have. I explained it in previous videos. Then go check that, and I recommend Apex so much. I never have denied payouts from Apex. I have over 100 payouts with them, and now I am building, as I say, 1 million payout till end of this year. They are very simple. Rules are simple. You just need to be disciplined. Don't over risk and do bullshit. Then I can say anything bad about I can say anything bad about Apex because the leverage of the account is extreme. Okay, when you took only $2,000 payout from 20 accounts with 40k payout, which is pretty massive, and you can achieve that by risking 100 $200 per trade. You don't need to make over risk. If you want to make 40k payout on the top step, you need to risk a more or trade it for half year with small risk. On Apex, because of 20 accounts, it's possible to achieve in 1 2 months with risking 150 $200 and go for 1.5 R if you have win rate around 60%. 40k in 1-2 months is pretty nice. Then that's all from me. If you have any questions, just leave a comment